So I was in Auburndale driving delivery, and I slowed down to take my turn off of Wrecker Highway, and this kid was following me entirely too close. So I figured, just do what I normally do whenever somebody's riding my tail, slow down nice and gradual, hit my turn signal early, go about my business. And he did not get the memo, so he kept on coming at like 55 mile an hour and tried to swerve at the last minute, caught the rear end of my car as I was beginning my turn and caused me to skid probably about 20 feet or so. Crushed in the rear of my vehicle, took the tire off of the rim on my driver's side, the front driver's side, and busted out the back glass. So that was just peachy. So I actually heard about you guys from my last accident. My wife and I were in Avon Park, got rear-ended by a lady in a Mercedes-Benz, and I looked you guys up on Google. Reviews came back really well, so I was like, all right, guess that's who's handling our case. And then you guys did really well for us the first time, so whenever this happened, I even told my wife, I was like, well, guess I'm calling Brooks then. Yeah, the experience has been really good. I worked with Miss Carol as my case manager, again, actually, and she has been extremely pleasant to deal with, very good at communicating, just all around a really good experience. Oh, absolutely. In fact, I already did. Honestly, like I said, the experience as a whole has been pretty seamless and very good.